What is going on, guys? I hope y'all are having a great day, man. Do we have an exciting video for you guys tonight? A sick modification going on the 2017 Canam Outlander XMR, and I'm gonna show you guys that here in 1 second. I think you're really gonna like this video. But before we get into that, just a reminder, guys, we do have a giveaway going on right now. If you guys didn't know, check out my last video. By the way, I've uploaded the past, I think 7 out of 8 days. So make sure you guys are staying tuned with these videos, push notifications on. I've been trying to upload every night around 6 or 7 o'clock. So make sure you guys are checking that out. I may even upload as late as like 9 o'clock sometimes. So make sure you guys are staying tuned with these videos. Make sure you're keeping up to date. There's a ton of information, a ton of things going on in the garage with the builds. Everything's just happening right now and just moving forward. So make sure you guys are staying tuned with that. But if you guys didn't know, we do have a giveaway going on right now. Check out my video I uploaded last night. We show all the powder coat colors if you guys win the valve cover for the 24 valve. We show all the powder coat colors in case maybe you don't know what color you may go with or want to go with, or maybe you just don't know what powder coat colors you may be interested in. Make sure you check out last night's video. If you enter to win, every keychain you buy is a automatic entry into winning this giveaway. It ends September 4th at midnight. We will be picking the winner September 5th. So we have our valve cover that will be powder coated by Iron Ape Coatings, and that thing is gonna look really, really sick. I cannot wait to figure out what color you guys, the winner, wants to go with. I think that's gonna look awesome. We got tail lights that we're giving away, and of course we got our Mishimoto boot kit that we're giving away as well. There's gonna be 3 individual winners. Number 1 winner will get the first phone call and they will be able to decide what part they want. Second winner will pick what's left, and the third winner will have won whatever's left in the giveaway. So these things, these Mishimoto boot kits, give you a part number right here. These are some very high quality boots, and man, great kit right here. Of course, you got your clamps that's going to come with it. I'm very excited to give these things away to you guys, so make sure, top link in the description, every keychain you purchase is a automatic entry into the giveaway. There's a flat rate, I think, of $3 shipping, so if you want to order 2 or 3 at a time, you're paying the same in shipping, so keep that in mind as well. That is 2 or 3 entries. Also, keep in mind, if you guys could leave a review on the keychains on the website, helps a lot. We got a couple reviews so far, so make sure when you're getting these keychains and you like the quality of them. I use my keychains every day. Got my American flag one on my Can-Am keys and my Ducket keychain on my regular keys. So they're great quality, so make sure you guys are leaving a 5-star review if you do enjoy the quality. Now, let's get into tonight's video. That's all the updated information on the giveaway. It's still live, so make sure you're entering while you can. But tonight's video, man, we got new headlights, high beam and low beam for the Can-Am. We've been running the stock headlights for a while now. You know, we got the light bar from the HID factory. I think it's a 4-inch flood or a 5-inch flood. It's been doing very well, but we've had probably 5 night rides in the last 2 months, and the Can-Am is just not performing the way we want it to, of course, because of the stock headlights on it. Now we're gonna do a before video so you guys can see how these lights look at night. Once it gets dark out, we're gonna show you guys how these lights are performing. They're not performing that well. And then once we get the new headlights on, I'm gonna show you what they look like here in a second. We're gonna go out there and we're gonna do an after video, and we'll really be able to tell the before and after and how improved the lights get. We've already got the drone set up on the back of the Can-Am. We got the GoPro set up on the helmet. So let's show you guys the lights that we went with. These things are freaking sick. I went ahead and popped them open because I couldn't wait. Of course, we got them from our man Travis at the HID factory. If this thing will focus on his information, he is the only man I trust when it comes to lighting, so make sure you guys are hitting him up. I use him in all my vehicles, all my toys. I've always used him, never had anything but good luck with him. So make sure you guys are hitting him up. His phone number, his website, his address, all of that information is right here. And he also has a pamphlet in here that has just some more of their vehicles they offer. They pretty much offer every single vehicle that is out right now, and pretty much every package that anybody would offer. You got the Mercedes-Benz light emblem in case you guys got a Benz, BMW light, everything from fog lights for F-150, just anything you could imagine. Make sure you guys are hitting him up, checking out his prices, because they're pretty good prices. So, but that is his pamphlet right there. Again, that is his phone number. And just a really down-to-earth guy, man. Just a really good guy, somebody you can actually call and talk to, not just a freaking 1-800 number that you're going to talk to somebody in overseas country that's probably not going to take care of you. I don't like to deal with people like that or companies like that. I like to call, say, hey, what's up, man? Hey, I'm having an issue. Can we resolve this? Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna send something out. I'm gonna make things right with you. That's what I love about Travis. He always makes things right in the end. Even if there is a little issue, he's definitely gonna resolve it. And just a great guy to work with. So make sure you're hitting him up. But let's show you guys the headlights. By the way, the link to these products will be in the description below as well. So if you guys want the same lights, they will be there. It will take you directly to the product. So the first box we open up is gonna be one of our high beam lights. It's an LED bulb with a plug that plugs directly into our stock harness. We made sure we have our waterproof seal on here because we always want a waterproof seal, definitely on something that's gonna be in the water a ton, and we don't want this thing to erode over time. It's a profile bulb, and I'll see if I can get you guys LED number right there. It's a 9005 bulb, LED 1330 part number. It's a profile performance peak. So I'm really excited about how these high beams look. If you guys remember, if you guys have been longtime subscribers, you guys know we had an 850 Canam Outlander, but we never improved the high beam. So it's something I'm very excited about. Of course, you got your other box with the same exact thing in it. So both high beams, can't wait to see how those things perform. But here is the meat and potatoes of today. The color shifting plug and play on your smartphone controlled XK glows LED lights. We had these on the Canam Outlander, the 850. Everybody was asking, hey man, where those lights go? You need to get them for the 1000. Well, they're finally freaking here. I told you guys I was gonna get them. I love those things. They look freaking sweet. So we're gonna be installing those today. There is a part number for you guys if you're interested in these bulbs or this kit, but inside the kit, we'll open it up for you. I've already installed these before. You got your double-sided 3M tape that is included. All the hardware is included, the little bit that you do get. Everything's pretty much pre-wired that you need. You just gotta plug it, literally, on the box it says plug and play, and that's exactly what it is, plug and play. You just run your wires, and that's pretty much it. You run your wire to your lead negative battery and your positive battery terminal. And that's pretty much all the wiring there is. So bam, here they are, the meat and potatoes, the new LED color shifting light bulbs. These things are insanely bright, insanely bright. Hopefully we can get some justice for these things tonight. Of course, they come in nice packaging or whatever. We got our waterproof seal if you guys have Canams. These things can go on vehicles as well. They are vehicle compatible, not just for Canams, but they look the best on Canams, of course, because you can change colors and stuff like that. So, or any ATV that they fit on. We got our waterproof seal, which is very important, of course. We don't need water getting in there and contaminating it. Comes with all the wiring harnesses, plug and play, very simple install. But the last thing to show you guys is this little module. It just connects to your headlights and your power. Comes in this little box right here, in this little white box, in this protective case. And pretty much this connects Bluetooth to your cell phone. So there's an app that you can get, and I'm gonna show you guys the app. Just like last time. It's been like probably a year since I made this last video, so many of you guys probably never seen this. But if you wanted to pause your screen right here, you guys can see the instructions. That is the app right there on the bottom of the screen. There's many like it, but that's the only app that'll work with this device. So if you guys can kind of see there, the logo of the application, that's the app that we're gonna re-download on our phone because we deleted it once we sold the 850. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and fast forward to when it gets dark out, which should be in a couple hours here, and show you guys the before videos of what the headlights look like now, so you guys get a pretty good idea. So when we install the new ones, you guys can see the difference in them. So we'll skip to that and I'll catch up with you guys then. Make sure you're dropping a like down on the video. It helps a lot. If you guys are enjoying it, it helps a lot with improving the channel and the search results. So definitely leave a like on the video if you enjoy it.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together. together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, gave all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah.
Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the new headlights on the Can-Am. I haven't looked at the footage yet, but I hope it does it justice, man. I'm telling you, in person, these lights are 10 times brighter than the stock ones. The high beams, just the low beams are like even brighter than the highs and the lows on the old setup. So I hope the footage does it justice. I'm gonna go review it here tonight and see what it looks like. So I hope it looks good. But leave a like down below. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below, what you think of these lights. It was about a 30-minute, took me about 20 to 30 minutes. I wanted to take my time, make sure everything was clean, out of the way, tucked away, dielectric greased, waterproof, you know, everything, the whole nine. And just so y'all know, if you're interested in this kit, it does come with a button or a switch. I may get it, because I don't really like this cord right here. I may get it similar to that one where it's like it's underneath and I just drill a hole and put a switch and wire a switch like that. But for now, that'll be fine. This is for like the RGBs, like as if you wanted to change the colors of the actual headlights themselves. And by the way, I just posted this on my Snapchat, so if you're not following my Snapchat, make sure you guys do. But here's what the app looks like. You control where it says 1, that's one headlight, and then 2, that's the other headlight. You can speed it up or slow it down as far as like the breath, where it's just like the pulsing lights. Or of course, you got your regular solid. That's the brightness of it. You can have extremely bright, dim it. Or you can do the strobes like I was doing in the video a lot, where you can strobe like any colors you want. The possibilities are endless with this application and these lights. But yeah, if you wanted to throw those lights on, you literally just press this button and the lights go on and off just by pressing that button. Or you can just run like regular lows and highs, like the headlights themselves. They will act as like your normal low beams without the button. You don't have to have the button pressed for them to work, is what I'm saying. They will still go off this switch in case you wanted to just use like your bright white. They're pretty much like 6K bright white LEDs. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. And once again, if you're interested in these lights, it will be down in the description below, as well as the keychain link. If you wanted to purchase the keychain, get entered into the giveaway. I think you guys will really like the keychain. and plus you get entered to win some cool parts. So at the same exact time, it's a win-win situation. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. I plan on uploading tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in the next one.